Welcome back to Brittology, where today we're stepping into a vision so extreme, so unreal, that it completely redefines what we think a vehicle can be. Imagine a skyscraper, not standing still in a city skyline, but moving freely across highways, deserts, and private roads. This is the world's first 100-floor ultra-luxury motorhome, a true moving skyscraper on wheels. At first glance, it feels impossible. A motorhome is supposed to be compact, practical, maybe luxurious at best. But this concept throws practicality out the window and replaces it with pure ambition. Rising vertically like a futuristic tower, this motorhome is designed for those who don't just travel, they relocate their entire lifestyle wherever they go. The exterior alone is a statement of dominance. Built with aerospace-grade materials, carbon fiber panels, reinforced titanium framing, and smart glass that adapts to light and temperature. The structure is engineered to remain stable even at full height. Advanced gyroscopic balancing systems constantly adjust the center of gravity, ensuring smooth movement despite its towering presence. From a distance, it looks like a glass and steel monument gliding silently across the land. As you step inside, the scale becomes overwhelming. The ground levels are dedicated to mobility and control, autonomous driving systems, AI-assisted navigation, and a command center that monitors weather, terrain, and global routes in real time. This motorhome doesn't just drive, it thinks, predicts, and adapts. The lower floors host secure garages for hypercars, electric SUVs, and even collectible classics. Hydraulic platforms allow vehicles to be loaded and unloaded seamlessly, while robotic maintenance bays ensure everything remains in showroom condition. There's no compromise here. This is a private transport ecosystem. Moving upward, the living experience begins to unfold. Entire floors are dedicated to private residences, each designed like a high-end penthouse. Floor-to-ceiling windows offer panoramic views, transforming landscapes into living art as the motorhome moves. Bedrooms feature adaptive lighting, soundproof walls, and climate zones that adjust to personal preference automatically. Every detail is tailored for comfort, silence, and privacy. Several floors are devoted to wellness and relaxation. A full-size spa spans multiple levels, including infinity pools with transparent walls, thermal baths, saunas, and meditation rooms suspended high above the ground. There's even a vertical indoor garden, where real trees and plants purify the air and bring nature inside this mechanical giant. Entertainment takes luxury to another level. One section houses a private cinema with IMAX-scale projection, vibration-free seating, and acoustics rivaling world-class theaters. Another floor features a concert hall with live performance capability, designed for private shows, orchestras, or intimate events while traveling. Dining here isn't just a meal, it's an experience. Multiple Michelin star-level kitchens are distributed across floors, each specializing in different cuisines. Private chefs, AI-assisted menu planning, and climate-controlled ingredient storage ensure perfection every time. Dining rooms rotate slowly, offering 360-degree views of the surroundings as you eat. For business and power players, entire floors are dedicated to productivity. Executive offices, boardrooms, secure communication hubs, and private trading floors allow global operations to continue uninterrupted. Encrypted satellite connections ensure complete digital independence, whether crossing borders or remote regions. Higher up, exclusivity reaches its peak. Ultra-private sky suites occupy the top levels, reserved for owners and elite guests. These spaces feel like floating luxury apartments, far removed from the ground, offering unmatched privacy and serenity. Some levels even feature open-air sky decks with retractable ceilings, allowing guests to experience the outdoors from an unimaginable height. The topmost floors are nothing short of visionary. A helipad and drone port enable aerial arrivals and departures, while observation lounges provide unmatched views, sunsets, cityscapes, oceans, and mountains, all from a moving structure. It's a perspective few humans will ever experience. Powering this masterpiece is a hybrid system, combining next-generation electric propulsion, hydrogen fuel cells, and advanced energy storage. Solar-integrated glass panels and kinetic energy recovery systems allow the motorhome to partially power itself while in motion. Despite its size, sustainability has been woven into its design. Safety is uncompromising. The motorhome features multi-layered security, including biometric access, AI surveillance, and defensive countermeasures to ensure absolute privacy and protection. Structural integrity systems are designed to withstand extreme weather, seismic activity, and high-speed travel conditions. This isn't just a vehicle. It's not just a home. It's a symbol of ultimate freedom, power, and imagination. A place where luxury isn't limited by location, where borders mean nothing, and where the journey itself becomes the destination. The world's first 100-floor ultra-luxury motorhome represents a future where mobility and architecture merge, where the skyline moves with you, and where lifestyle is no longer tied to a single place. A moving skyscraper on wheels, redefining what it truly means to live without limits.